Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can quickly grade in Google Sheets. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have prepared my data in my Google Sheets. As you can see, here I have student score data and I'm going to grade the score according to the category I have created. And I'm going to type in my formula in this grade column. So if you want to quickly grade, you just need to follow my formula. I'm going to use the function to quickly grade the score. I'm going to select the cell and I'm going to type in my formula. First of all, we need to add equal and then type in ifs like this. And I'm going to select C3 cell and I'm going to add the condition and the value like this. For this score, which is more than 90, I'm going to categorize as A. Okay, and C3 cell again, larger than 80, which is B. Oops, B category. And the last one, C3, larger or equal to 70. Categorizing it as C. Just like that. And now it's done guys, and I'm going to click on the check mark and this is the result. And to make it faster, you just need to autofill. Click on the autofill. Now it's done. Alright guys, and that's all the way to quickly grade in Google Sheets. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.